Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making vegan Nutella. There is 4 ingredients, super easy, super quick. But before I do that, I want to make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. I don't want you to miss any of my videos, so be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Now on to our recipe. What I did was I have 1 cup of hazelnuts, which I roasted in the oven for about 15 minutes on 350 degrees. Let them cool for about 15. I peeled most of the skins off. If you don't get all the skins off, no big deal. Some people think the skins are a little bit bitter, but I don't think this is gonna affect the taste. I got most of the skins off, so that's gonna go into our food processor. This Nutella is going to be made with dates. This is how we're going to sweeten it. I've got about 10 of these. I'm going to pit these and put those in the food processor after we blend the hazelnuts up. We've got a little bit of cocoa powder and some soy milk. So the first thing we're going to do is put these in here, and you can see some of the skins are still on, but not too many. So I don't think it's going to affect the taste at all. So that's going to go in here. And then we're going to blend this up until it gets to be like a butter. So I'm not going to torture you with the sound of the food processor going off, but it's going to take a few minutes. So I'll be back when this is done. As you can see, we have a butter-like consistency now. We're going to add the rest of our ingredients. I've got my cocoa powder, and I'm going to add in my dates, which I soaked. You want them to be able to blend really smoothly, so if your dates aren't super soft, you just might want to soak them in hot water for a few minutes, which is what I did. So I'm going to blend this for a minute, and then we're going to add the soy milk. Now we're going to add the soy milk in a little at a time till you get the right consistency, and we're going to blend again. So here we have a beautiful bowl of vegan Nutella. No oil, no refined sugar. I've just cut up a Honeycrisp apple, and let's give it a taste. Thick, looks good. Tastes good too. That would be great on some toast or fruit like I'm doing here. Very simple. So I hope you give this one a try. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And remember, what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. And if you like this shirt, you can go to my Etsy store, Chew on Vegan, and you can get one for yourself. Until next time, thank you.